So this is John. What we're going to do tonight is we're going to crank this thing up. I've been going through a series of oil issues that I thought I was going to have to pull the engine, and I figured out that I didn't have to. There's actually a plug down on the bottom of the engine that ended up being the issue. So I was ready to pull it out and found it and fixed it, and now I'm going to actually I've run the engine, so I just wanted to go through it and kind of show you how it sounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera to different angles on the engine, and also in the cockpit to show you some of the stuff that I go through with the ISA system for starting it, and some of the cool stuff that it does with the diagnostics. Basically up here I have an indicator for the engine parameters, and then down in the front I've got a laptop, and the laptop is basically what I use for the ISA system to start the car and run the lights and all the various accessories on the car. And as you can see, I have a very friendly lab who wants to be part of this too. So anyway, we'll start doing it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the computer right now, and I'm going to pull down the Race Logic traction control. I'll move the camera so that you can really kind of get an idea of what's going on the screen. So basically that's kind of the diagnostic page, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the engine start page by going to the engine, and then I have the ignition here, which is on, and then I've got the starter that I have to engage. So I'm going to open the garage doors. I'll move this back here a little bit. Because it sounds better. Do that once, let it sit a second. Come here. Bit of a squeak on one of the pulleys. Basically the pulley that's down in there, it's got a little bit of a squeak to it, so I'll probably take that off and see if I can oil it. Anyway, everything's cranked up. You can see the lights on the power cylinder going. The displays, I don't know if you can read that, it looks a little fuzzy, but anyway, all the gauges are working there. We are right out 740 RPM, pretty low idle. It's warming up. Got good oil pressure. up a little bit. It's got a nice idle. I mean, it's nice and low, but it doesn't shut off. So, you know, for sitting at a traffic light or whatever, this is basically what it's going to sound like. And once it quiets down, it's actually pretty entertaining to listen to. What we'll do is I'll set this up right behind the exhaust, and that way
So that's it. I think I bored you enough.